The number one thing killing real estate deals right now in Greenville, South Carolina isn't interest rates, it's home insurance. I'm Angela Rodriguez, your favorite real estate broker in Greenville, South Carolina, and I want you to have the scoop on what's going on right now. After Hurricane Helene swept through the Carolinas, even though Greenville didn't take a direct hit, insurance companies started cracking down. Now they're adjusting risk models, and our older tree-lined neighborhoods like North Main, Overbrook, Parkins Mill, and the Augusta Road area are all in the hot seat. I'm seeing deals fall apart right now before closing, not because of bad home inspections, but because people can't get insurance coverage. Roofs over 10 years old, being denied. They're deemed too risky. The roof doesn't even have to have a problem or a leak. I'm telling you, it's flat out age discrimination when it comes to these roofs. And houses built over 20 years ago? No way. The big companies don't want to touch them. Giant oak trees within 10 feet of the house? Declined. It's like the new favorite word, declined, declined, declined. Here's the truth. Big national insurance companies are no longer just checking for damage. They're using AI and satellite data to flag properties based on age, proximity to trees, and even how shaded your roof is, all without ever setting foot on site. They're flying drones to help identify these red flags. Vintage bungalow under a big canopy of trees, automatic denial. No recent wind mitigation report? Expect 3 times the premium of what you'd normally pay. I had a client get denied a few weeks ago when they were trying to buy a house in Gower simply because of the age of the house. This house actually had a roof that was less than 5 years old, and she still couldn't get home insurance simply because of the age of the house. Had nothing to do with the condition. Flat out age discrimination. And then you've got to go pay a higher premium to get home insurance, because if you're getting a loan, you have to have home insurance. It's not a suggestion, it's a requirement by the lender. All right, so if you're thinking about buying or selling in Greenville right now, here's what you need to know. Here are some tips to protect yourself. Tip number 1, get an insurance quote before you even submit the offer. I'm telling you, it's coming down to that. Tip number 2, consider a roof certification if you're thinking about listing your home, and you're definitely going to want to consider trimming those tree branches, or at least know that that request is coming from the home insurance company. Tip number 3, work with a local independent insurance broker who understands South Carolina specific underwriting. And tip number 4, you may want to start building insurance contingencies into your contract. And of course, don't skip out on due diligence. Insurance used to be an afterthought, but now it is a make it or break it part of every single deal in 2025. And you don't want to wait to be under contract to find out about all these insurance nightmare scenarios. If you're thinking about house hunting this year or selling your house this year, please reach out or tell your friends to reach out if they're thinking about buying or selling. I'd love to be their advisor and put you in touch with the right people, so that way we're in front of these things, not behind them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you see and you want to keep watching me put the real in real estate, please give us a follow, please subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video.